If you're passionate about cars and smart automotive upgrades, this video is for you. We found the best car jacks. Before you buy any car jack, you need to see this. In this video, I found the best car jack of 2026, based on real performance, quality, and value for money. I spent hours researching, comparing features, prices, and real user reviews, so you can pick the perfect one without wasting time or money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And for more honest, no-fluff tech reviews, make sure to hit subscribe. Let's get started. Starting strong at number 1, we have the Jack Boss Car Jack. This professional-grade 3-ton aluminum and steel floor jack is a high-performance lifting tool designed for a vast array of vehicles, including full-sized SUVs, travel trailers, and minibuses. With a massive lifting capacity of 6,600 pounds and a total height reach of over 18 inches, it handles both low-profile sports cars and taller trucks with complete ease. The low-slung chassis design allows it to slide under vehicles with very limited ground clearance, while the sophisticated dual-piston system ensures a rapid rise to the desired height. It features a unique hybrid construction using aluminum billets and a welded steel frame to provide the perfect mix of portability and structural strength. Smooth rolling steel casters and front swivel wheels make positioning the jack under a vehicle's lift point an effortless task for any mechanic. The large rubber saddle is specifically included to protect your car's undercarriage from scratches or structural damage during the lifting process, meeting rigorous ANSI/ASME PASE safety standards. This jack is a reliable, high-quality addition to any professional repair shop or home garage setup. This hybrid model is exceptionally popular because it offers the rugged durability of steel in the lifting arm while significantly reducing total weight via aluminum side plates, allowing you to transport it. Moving on to number 2, here's a solid choice, the Tanlook Car Jack. The Tanlook 5-ton electric car jack kit represents the ultimate all-in-one modern solution for roadside emergencies and DIY vehicle maintenance tasks. This powerful kit features a high-torque 12V motor that can lift most heavy vehicles to a maximum height of nearly 18 inches in just about 2 minutes. By simply plugging the device into your car's cigarette lighter or battery, you can elevate your heavy SUV or pickup truck with the simple press of a button. Beyond just lifting, this versatile tool includes a built-in air compressor with an integrated gauge for immediate tire inflation during long-distance travel. Safety is built into every aspect, with a manual pressure release valve and an automatic stop function that prevents the jack from overextending at maximum height. The kit also comes with a high-torque electric impact wrench designed for the fast and safe removal of stubborn lug nuts in any weather condition. Integrated LED work lights ensure you can see exactly what you are doing during nighttime repairs, while hidden compartments keep all your tools neatly organized. This compact and reliable set is a must-have companion for families and outdoor adventurers who value stress-free vehicle maintenance. It is an incredibly user-friendly choice that removes the physical labor from tire changes, making it accessible for everyone regardless of their mechanical experience or physical strength. At number 3, we're looking at a powerful option, the DNA Motoring Car Jack. This speedy lift hydraulic trolley jack is a robust and highly efficient mechanism capable of hoisting vehicles weighing up to 2 tons. With a flexible lifting range that spans from 5.1 inches up to 13 inches, it offers the essential versatility required for professional garage services or heavy industrial applications. The unit enables incredibly precise height adjustments, making the process of vehicle maintenance or complex repairs much faster and more intuitive for the user. Safety is a top-tier priority here, featuring an integrated overload protection valve designed specifically to prevent accidental damage or personal injury during heavy lifting. Its wide saddle provides significant stability while guarding your vehicle's frame, and the smooth swivel casters allow for effortless maneuvering around tight workspace areas. Constructed from reinforced heavy-duty steel, this jack combines immense rigidity with a lightweight frame that is easy to transport between jobs. Remember, this tool is strictly designed for lifting and should always be paired with high-quality jack stands for prolonged mechanical support. The classic hydraulic design has been refined to ensure a leak-free experience even under consistent daily use, making it a staple tool for those who prefer a traditional, high-durability trolley system for their personal garage. Coming in at number 4, this one really stands out, the Vever Car Jack. This specialized motorcycle scissor lift jack from Vever is an indispensable piece of equipment for bike enthusiasts, featuring a high weight capacity of 1,100 pounds. It is exceptionally well suited for street bikes, heavy cruisers, and adventure touring motorcycles, offering a rock-solid platform for cleaning or intricate mechanical repairs. Operating the lift is remarkably simple and requires no additional specialized tools beyond the included detachable metal handle for smooth height adjustments. You can easily modify the lifting height from a low 3.7 inches to a maximum of 13.8 inches for comfortable access to all bike components. For added security, it utilizes a reinforced steel X-frame central shaft and a 6-position safety pin to lock the motorcycle firmly in place. The extra-wide non-slip deck is covered with a thick rubber pad to ensure your bike stays stable without suffering any unsightly scratches to the frame. When you're finished with your maintenance, the jack folds down to a compact 3.7 inches for easy storage in a cabinet. Its powder-coated finish is specifically designed to resist grease, oil, and rust, ensuring it looks and performs like new for years. This lift is a perfect investment for owners who perform their own winterization or chain maintenance, as it provides a much safer and more ergonomic working height compared to working on the ground. And taking the top spot at number 5, we have the Gurjanon Car Jack. This comprehensive 2-ton scissor car jack kit is an absolute necessity for every driver, providing a versatile lifting span from 4.33 inches up to 15.75 inches. This expansive range makes it perfectly suited for everything from low-clearance sedans to high-riding SUVs found on the road today. The package is an all-inclusive emergency solution, containing the 2T scissor jack, a ratchet wrench, a multi-size lug wrench, protective gloves, and a pencil tire pressure gauge. Everything is neatly organized within a durable storage bag that fits conveniently in your vehicle's trunk or a corner of your garage. Crafted from premium, corrosion-resistant materials, this jack is engineered for maximum stability and long-term durability, even when used in harsh winter weather or muddy conditions. The ergonomic design of the scissor mechanism and the included lug wrench allows for rapid tire changes with very minimal physical effort from the operator. Being universally compatible with most passenger cars and light trucks, this kit provides immense peace of mind for any unexpected roadside mechanical failures. The addition of the high-torque ratchet wrench significantly reduces the time it takes to crank the jack upward, allowing you to get your car back on the road safely in record time during a flat tire situation. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more automotive products, car gadgets, and honest reviews. Got a product you want us to review? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.